Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to OneMain Financial. Access your loan account online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Type OneMain Financial in the address bar and press enter. Check that you are on the official OneMain Financial website before entering any details. Look for the Sign In or Login option on the top of the page. Click Sign In or Login to open the account access page. If you already have an online profile, enter your username in the first field. Enter your password carefully in the password field. Double-check that caps lock is not on if your password is case-sensitive. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If the site asks for verification, choose to receive a code by text message or email. Enter the verification code exactly as you received it. Click Continue or Verify to finish the security step. Once logged in, locate your loan account dashboard or account overview page. Review your current balance, next payment date, and payment status on the main screen. To make a payment, find and click the Make a Payment button. Select your payment amount and confirm the date you want the payment to process. Choose your payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, if available. Enter your payment details and confirm they are correct. Click Submit or Confirm Payment and wait for the confirmation message. To view statements or documents, open the Statements, Documents, or Account History section. Download or view the files you need and save them securely. To update your profile, go to Settings, Profile, or Personal Information. Edit your email, phone number, or mailing address if anything has changed. To change your password, open the Security or Password Settings section. Create a strong new password and save the changes. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Username or Password on the login page. Follow the prompts to verify your identity and reset your login information. When you finish, click Log Out to protect your account, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.